In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy filtered rows in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to extract specific information efficiently. Let's get started. First, you want to begin by opening your Google Sheet where your data is stored. If you don't have a specific sheet open yet, now's the time to locate it in your Google Drive and open it up. This is your starting point. Next, move your mouse to the top menu and click on the Data tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to manage and manipulate the data within your spreadsheet, and it's essential for the next few steps. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Create a Filter. This action will add filter buttons to each column header, allowing you to filter your data based on specific criteria. You'll see small filter icons appear at the top of each column, indicating that your filter is active. Proceed by clicking on the filter icon under the column heading you want to sort, often labeled something straightforward like Group. This will bring up options to select how you want to filter the column's data. From the list, you'll need to selectively choose only specific entries, in this case, operations. Simply check the box next to this option, and you'll see your sheet modify to display only the rows that fit this criterion. Click OK to apply this filter. The filtered data is now visible, showing only the entries that belong to operations. Carefully highlight these results by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Once those rows are selected, go to the Edit tab in the menu bar. Under Edit, click on Copy. This will copy the selected data to your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Remember, this action doesn't disturb the original data. It simply copies it for duplication. Following that, you'll want to have a fresh place to paste. Add another Sheet tab by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. This gives you a new, clean sheet as your workspace. On this newly added sheet, return to the Edit tab, navigate to Paste Special, and select Values Only. This pastes only the data values, leaving out any formulas or formats, which is important for clean data transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully copied filtered rows from one sheet to another, ensuring the integrity and isolation of the data you need. This method keeps your spreadsheet organized and allows you to work more efficiently, managing large data sets by isolating key pieces of information without hassle. I hope this step-by-step guide helps streamline your workflow with Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.